Hey guys, as you saw from today's title, in this video we'll be looking at another great speaker from Denon. The Denon Home 250 is a mid-size wireless speaker that delivers impressive sound performance for its size. It features a pair of 4 inches woofers, two 0.75 inches tweeters, and a 5.25 inches passive radiator, which combine to produce a rich, full-bodied sound with plenty of bass. It delivers a powerful and balanced sound performance, with plenty of detail and clarity in the highs and mids, and a deep and satisfying bass response. It can fill a large room with sound, and has a maximum volume that is impressive for its size. With this wireless speaker you can stream music from various online services, such as Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, and Amazon Music, as well as from your own network devices. It supports high-resolution audio formats up to 24-bit, 192 kHz, and can be controlled by voice assistants such as Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. It can also be paired with other Denon home speakers or HEOS-enabled devices to create a multi-room or surround sound system. In terms of build quality, the Denon Home 250 is well made and feels solid. The speaker has a compact and elegant design with a fabric wrap and a curved shape. It is available in black or white. It has a recessed carry handle for easy portability and a touch-sensitive panel on the top for basic controls. It also has 6 preset buttons that can be assigned to your favorite radio stations or playlists. The Home 250 is packed with features. It supports Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth, so you can stream music from a variety of sources. The speaker also has a built-in HEOS app, which allows you to control the speaker from your phone or tablet. The app also lets you group the Denon Home 250 with other HEOS-enabled speakers to create a multi-room audio system. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The speaker has 3 types of inputs: aux, USB, and network. The aux input connector is used to connect audio devices, the USB port is used to connect USB memory devices that contain music files, and the network connector is used to connect the speaker to a wired Ethernet network using an RJ45 cable. You can also use Bluetooth to connect your mobile devices to the speaker wirelessly. To do this, you need to pair your device with the speaker by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button on the rear panel of the speaker for 3 seconds. Then, select Denon Home 250 from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your mobile device. The Denon Home 250 is compatible with a variety of other speakers. You can pair it with another Denon Home 250 to create a stereo pair, or you can connect it to a Denon AVR to create a home theater system. The speaker is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice. Now, let's take a look at some pros and cons of the speaker. Pros: powerful sound performance, wide range of supported audio formats, well-made and durable, lots of features, including Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth, compatible with other Denon speakers and AVRs, works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Cons: bass can be overpowering at times, no support for DTS or Dolby Atmos, touch-sensitive controls can be a bit finicky. Overall, the Denon Home 250 wireless speaker is a great option for anyone looking for a wireless speaker that can stream music from various sources, support high-resolution audio formats, and work with other HEOS-enabled devices. It's well-made, feature-rich, and easy to use. If you're looking for a speaker that can fill your home with music, the Denon Home 250 is a great option. However, it may not be the best choice for those who prefer a more natural and neutral sound signature, or who want more control over the bass and treble levels. For buying options and more information about this speaker, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.